My name is Aubrey Keifer. I'm a sales design engineer.
Could you provide some insights into how the design process works?
So we design our Futurail systems in AutoCAD to try to give the client a better view and kind of model it in their space in the way that they're going to see it when it's a completed project.
What accomplishment at this company are you most proud of?
My family has always really enjoyed doing puzzles, kind of brain exercises, and designing Futurail layouts is all of that combined. You have to start from a beginning and kind of create your own maze to a finish line. And it's really interesting to see how you can kind of fit these lines and check all the boxes for what the client needs. It's just really interesting, and it makes me really proud when I finish a design and everything seems to work and everything fits into place and you get everything where it needs to go.
How do you perceive the company culture?
I really like the culture here at Jensen. I really enjoy the atmosphere that other people create and maintain. Everyone here seems to take responsibility and take initiative without too much being asked. Nobody seems to take themselves too seriously, but they are serious about their work. We have a really great time kind of interacting with each other. We make it a point to kind of make sure we bond in a certain way and take time to know each other outside of work, and I really enjoy that.
At what point did you recognize that this place was distinct or unique?
When I interviewed the first time with Jensen, I immediately felt like the people that I met didn't have any preconceived notions about who I would be or what I would offer based on my gender. I really appreciated that. They didn't talk down to me. They didn't think that, they weren't afraid to talk too technical with me and things like that.